Hi everyone, I've got a special little doll to show you here today. This is Little Tiny Steps Kelly. Box date is 1998, item number 22226 from Mattel. This doll was new in the box, but many of the pieces had fallen down, so I just went ahead and removed her from the box, and I've got her set up here to show you everything that she comes with and to show you also how she walks. So first we're going to start out with the instructions. It shows all the pieces that Kelly comes with: the doll, the carriage, blanket, teddy bear, her little doll, her little horse, and her little CNC. And then it also gives instructions inside how Kelly works. Also came with a 1999 World of Barbie fashions and dolls for the 1999 line of Barbie. I'll show you this in another video. It also comes with this little booklet introducing the first book club just for girls who love Barbie. Get 3 books for free, plus a free backpack with details inside. I'll show you that in another video as well. But today we're here to talk about this Little Tiny Steps Kelly, and I want to show you some of the different items that she came with. This cute little pink, like a riding horse, but it's tiny for Kelly. Perhaps the intention was for her doll to ride on this little horse, which she could do. That's cute. It has wheels in the mold at the bottom, as you can see, but it doesn't actually, the wheels don't roll. It's a tiny little horse that a doll could ride. Comes with this little yellow CNC toy. I've shown this in my previous videos. It's got a little knob here on the side. The CNC, you would point this arrow at whatever item on here you wanted to hear the sound. Hold it here by this handle and pull this knob down, and this would spin around, the arrow would spin around and make the sound of the item that you identified. This one doesn't do it, it's just a little pretend toy for Kelly. It has little feet so it can stand up and a hollow back. Here's Kelly's blanket for her little doll and bear. It's a soft fabric with a little bit of furriness to the front. The back is like a tricot. It's got tiny little items in colors of pastels: blue, yellow, pink, teddy bear, rattle, carriage. Very cute little blanket to go with this set. Then I did show you Kelly's dog, but let me show you it a little closer. It's a little rag doll with a stitched face, a pink mouth, and little tiny stitched blue eyes. Little ribbon in her hair. She's got curly blonde hair. And a stuffed body with a pink and white gingham cotton dress. There's the back of the doll. So if you see this in a Barbie lot or a doll lot, you'll know who this belongs to. And then here is her bear. It's a blue bear, plastic, hard plastic. It's all one color with a bow at the neck, a little grin on the bear's face. There's the back with his little tail. And then here's Kelly with her little carriage for her doll. It came with this cardboard insert which holds the doll and the bear up so that you can actually see them in the box, and you could actually display it like that as well, so that they're not inside, but up at the top showing. The cardboard piece is removable. That's what it looks like. It has the same design as the blanket with the little bears, rattles, and carriages. The carriage itself is a molded plastic with some white along the edge and an embossed design here of flowers and scrolls, or vines, more like vines. There's a crisscross down here in the base of the carriage where it attaches with the wheels. The wheels are pink. I'm sorry, the wheels are white with white spokes. The hood of the carriage does not lift up. I thought it might, but it doesn't. It's attached. It does have this fabric piece here with plastic in here that holds it up in shape. The fabric is a white lacy over print with a pastel pink tricot underneath. Very pretty. Kelly's wearing a little cotton hat with a brim up and a pastel pink rose applied here. The top of her hat and the back of her hat is a white cotton with little pink thin vines, foliage. It's all done in a pink with the white stitching. The dress has the same print on the skirt portion. She's got a little pink cotton pocket here. The dress is pink cotton at the bodice. It's just got this one little pocket on it that is a usable pocket. You could put something small in there for Kelly to carry with her as she pushes her doll along. Her shoes are pastel pink sandal type shoes. Very cute with a wicker look across the front. Her eyes are blue. She's got one dot in the pupil. Her mouth is open with a little bit darker pink than the pastel in her hat and dress. And she's got white teeth. She's an open mouth Kelly head mold. So those are the pieces that belong to this doll. I am going to walk her along a bit for you so that you can see how she works. And then I'll take her off and show you the actual legs and how her hands work to hold onto this carriage. So let's put her little toys back in. And we'll have her walk for you. Back her up just a little bit. And then you just push Kelly along and you can see her little legs moving as she walks along. Very cute design. What a precious little doll. So let me show you this Kelly. You've got to remove her from the handle here. She attaches to the handle by these little holes in her hands. So if you see this Kelly doll separate, you can see if she's got holes in her hands, that's Tiny Steps Kelly. They attach onto these spikes, not spikes, but pieces that come out here at the back so that she actually stays on the cart. And then as she walks, her legs flip back and forth. It's easier to show with her up in the air. As you're walking her along, her leg will flip back as I showed before. What a cute little Kelly doll. I've been wanting this for such a long time. I finally found in box with a good price because the majority of the items had fallen, and like that little guy just did. I'm not going to reattach her, but that's how I got this box Kelly doll for such a great price. Now looking at the box a little bit closer, Tiny Steps. This is the Mattel logo with the number here, 22226. Kelly. pull my carriage and I really walk, and I showed you how that happens. It's got a warning on here, choking hazard, small parts, not intended for children 3 years and under. Here's the top of the box. It's got the same Kelly graphic that you can see here, but a little bit larger. Shows like action with Kelly moving her animals and her doll along in the carriage. Here's at the top. It's a little bit worn here. Someone tore it. Then here's the box side. This is what I talked about in previous videos, as well as this one, about the box number and the date made. The box number and the date made is the same. This is 1998 showing here, but this doll was released in 1999. So it could either be listed in a listing as 1998 or 1999, and they're referring to the same Kelly doll. There's the UPC proof of purchase down here. Here's the box back. It shows a scene from the inside of the box. It's not actually the same. It's got like more of a detailed shelf up here with more toys than the box includes. And the doll looks a bit different, and the bear is pink on the box. But all the ones I've seen have a blue bear like this one. It says, help Kelly take her very first steps. Pull her carriage and watch her walk. Very, very cute. Doll not for use with some Kelly fashions. Carriage may vary from that shown. All the carriages I've seen are like that. And then on this side, it's got the consumer information here. And this doll was purchased at an AMES store, AMES, originally for $9.99. I see them going on eBay for quite a bit more. I've seen them up to $100 and more. I got mine for a lot less than that. And it's got everything. The box has a little wear. The doll and the items were never removed, just a little jumbled around inside the box. So that's Little Tiny Steps Kelly. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with more cute Kelly items. Thank you.